Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now scroll down again, choose one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. Now you can pick size of your shrink screen by tapping on one of those options and follow those instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen closer to one side. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. You can go back by clicking on the blank area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!